What's good from this side of NFP? Hope you're all doing good. Currently, we're live. Just kind of coming to see what the market has to offer right now. Kind of pushing low. So I'd love to see like a big push, a closure. We're coming to a support right here. So let's see. That closure will be good. I think I'm late. I'm kind of late on that. I am literally late. Let's see, we have bearish momentum right here. Yeah. So we had that closure right here. And I have I still have that bearish momentum, but I don't like how we did not close right here. I don't like how maybe we might see this as end of the low. I think all this unlock. I think I should be out of that trade now. That was just an impulse entry on my side. Look, sure. Parallel delete, unlock and delete. Unlock, delete. Yeah, I don't like what I'm seeing. Unlock. I don't like what I'm seeing. So let's see where we are going with TPO so that I can try and cover myself. I think that's that push. Just lower. I don't like what I'm seeing, so I think a little bit push will be good. It will be good, but I just want to cover myself right here at the entry. Yeah, because I don't like how we're looking right here. Of course, we have closed below, but I just up that $5. I don't like how we look right here. So we close below this support right here on 30 minutes. And I don't like this CVD, how CVD is looking. So on 5 minutes, I should be putting this on maybe 15 minutes so that we can see what's happening. So this is low right here. I think this is a major zone. So we can testing that 5 minutes. Um, let's see if price break on this, yeah, a continuation to the downside, that'll be good. But we can't like on the lowest low. You get what I mean? Mm, 45 initial balance. Let's see what happens if we close above here. It should be good indicator of a push. Heading to 1 hour. Mm-hmm. We're currently at support. Sellers coming in, but there's no volume. We have more sellers at this point, but you know, if we had uh, like sellers coming in, but there's no movement, that means there is kind of like an absorption of buyers. So is this like the end of the road for that momentum? But we are below initial balance. 15 minutes. Let's see what price does right there. I think there's still bullish momentum right there. So kind of like a flip of that. all this for me is an indicator of this buying momentum coming in. So let's see. I just take a buy right there. Put in my stop loss below at 250, 250, around 250 right there. Let's see what happens. I bet the low is being taken right here. So 15 minutes. I think I'll be stopped out right there. Yeah, direct to my stop loss. Almost. Getting stopped out. Almost getting stopped out. Where is the low? That will be one crazy if it flips the other side. Yeah, that could have been. I think it's going for this low. So my buy is still the same. We have sellers coming in, but still, if I see a flip of that candle, then I'll be in. And now in. Right there. And we target I should be reducing this to so 20. I think we're going to 27, 20, 29, 755. But I like how we have absorbed a sellers right here. So you might see back to the tens. 3. Let's see 3,000 right there. We have buyers coming in. Price is struggling right here. I think I'll definitely add another just below that. Just added another one. And I think right here it will be my first because there's this imbalance right here. I think I should have waited, but yeah, I'd love to see this pressure being uplifted before the 5 minutes close. Maybe I'll close above. It will be okay. Then I'll move my stop loss right here. So this is the first resistance. So in another time, this is my, and I hope this is not like a low high, you know. Then it will come and take me out right here. So I should be putting this right here. Yeah. So we are below initial balance, 15-minute initial balance, but I like how CVD looks like. I have two position in that. So the first positioning, I was stopped out. I had a very tight stop loss. But I think there's also volume coming in before that 1 hour, and this might serve as then it might serve as a resistance right here, you know, or this volume, but we are not closing above right here. So this might be just, you know, we are taking out right here that 1 hour of volume. So let's see what 1 hour is doing. So we do have, yeah, we're coming to take out this. I think we'll be taking out more sellers coming in, and we're out of that trade right there. More sellers coming in. We have bearish reading on the CVD. So yeah, for sure we'll get hit right here before the 1 hour, 30 minutes into the open. Let's see what we'll get right there. Yeah, we're out of that trade. I think we'll be flashing out. We have bearish reading on CVD. So we down 1.2. I think that's all right there. That's okay.